Hey you guys. I'm like losing my voice kind of or not. I have like a raspy voice because I'm have a little bit of a cold, I think, because of the weather changing. But today's video is going to be an AliPearl Hair wig review from the lovely AliPearl Hair. You are the most shining pearl is what it says. But I have worked with AliPearl Hair before. The hair is amazing, amazing density. The shedding, no shedding, very minimal. You guys can, it speaks for itself. The hair really does speak for itself. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys what lengths I got as well as the texture. And I'm going to get this wig on my head as well after that. All right, so I did get the natural wave hair texture. And I got him in all lengths, 18 inches. So I have 18 inches, 18 inches, 18 inches, and an 18-inch lace closure. I will share with you guys how much hair I have left, but I'm going to get this wig on first. So this hair is beautiful, guys. The texture, oh my gosh. So all that I did was sew it on. And when you get a wig that is curly, you don't have to like flatten it or anything because it is already exactly how it's supposed to be, really. So I'm just gonna take this off and re-demonstrate what I do. So my wig cap is a little raggedy, but it don't matter. So we're gonna take our wig cap, put it on. I always slick back these hairs like that and then slide this back a little bit. From there, we're going to take this Velcro band. This helps make the wig have some resistance so it doesn't slip off, because I created this wig myself on a dome cap. I put that on. I have on some concealer just here to make that part the color of the cap and the color of more to match my natural hair color for my scalp. And I also like to have a detangling brush and a rat tail comb. I have my mirror here in front of me. And yeah, we're just going to put this wig on. I did create this on a dome cap. Here's the size of this lace closure, and then I just sewed on the layers. Again, all 18 inches. So how I like to start is by putting on the lace closure right here in the beginning, right exactly where I want it. And then I just pull the dome cap on around it. And the Velcro band helps so much add that resistance that you want. And you can get a dome cap at your beauty supply store. So here's what it looks like now that my wig is on. I'm obsessed with the natural wave. This is really a natural looking, loose, curly hair texture. So now what I'm going to do to make my lace closure look even more natural is we're going to take our rat tail comb. And what I like to do is just separate my hair underneath it to match the parting. From there, we're going to do light plucking in the beginning of the closure to make it look more natural. And then pluck in some random areas so the closure isn't too perfect. It's really not too hard or complicated. And I'm just going to brush my fingers through to get that excess hair off. So yeah, I'm just going to brush through to get that excess hair out, and you guys can see I'm just brushing right through it, and this is a curly hair texture, so that is major. I'm going to brush my fingers all throughout it just to fluffen up the curls. And this is the perfect layering. So from there, just to make the closure look more natural, we're going to go in with some pressed powder. I always do this step. We're going to add that, and literally this just makes it look so good. I love creating my own wigs, and with this lace closure, it lays so flat. The lace is so beautiful. I'll show you guys a close-up. I just put the powder on, and this also widens the part, so you don't have to do as much plucking. Makes it look super natural. This is what it's looking like now. You guys see, you can't even tell where the closure starts and where my head begins. And that is the best kind of closure and the best type of hair to have. So this is what it looks like, you guys. This is what it looks like, a beautiful hair texture. I'm really obsessed with it. There is no funny odor or smell. And what I love about this hair is the density is so dense throughout, as you guys can tell. Also, again, this is 100% human hair, so you can color this hair, you can add heat to this hair, straighten it, and all of that. But when I get my curly hair textures, I literally just leave it because I like how the natural curl is. If you get a curly hair texture like this, you're probably getting it to actually wear in this hair texture. If you want to have straight hair, you would get straight hair. But this is the natural wave, and it is so natural. It has that light little wave to it. I'll share with you guys what the curl looks like. It is beautiful. Has a very nice natural just luster and feel to it. And with this type of hair, all you have to do is add water to it and your curls will just bounce right back. And I love it. I will do some action emotion shots for you guys. But yeah, I like to share with you guys what it looks like in motion. So now to the packaging and how much hair I had left. So I had installed most of the 318 bundles, and of course I have installed the 18-inch lace closure. So here's the packaging. It comes here. It says Brazilian virgin hair, 18 inches at the top. I always get Brazilian. You will probably never see a hair review from me that is Peruvian or anything like that. I always get Brazilian because I love Brazilian hair, so why would I switch, you know? And inside, again, it came with these two little cards that I already had shared with you guys in the beginning, attached to your bundles. It comes with a few extra goodies too. They always give you some. And then this is all of the hair I had left from the 3 bundles. So not too shabby. I have a lot of like extra hair to work with if I want to, you know, add a little bit of hair in a few extra places. But why would I? The wig is so beautiful, so full. I will show you guys the ponytail. I mean, the density is out of this world. You feel me? The thickness is there. And I will definitely have the links down below to purchase your AliPearl hair today. It really is beautiful. I love the luster and the shine and the feel of it. I love that it is this beautiful, just really natural wave. I mean, I've never seen a hair texture like this in particular. I love how it sits on my head. I feel like this is every person who wants to have that curly hair. Like the way that it's sitting after the install is exactly how you would want it to look. So definitely get some. You can create a wig, you can get a sew-in, you can color and dye it any color that you want. It is Brazilian hair, 100% virgin hair. It's perfect. It really is. And again, I have worked with AliPearl hair before. The wigs last me a long time. The hair lasts me a long time. It is great quality. Let me know down below in the comments what is your favorite hair texture so I can try to get that next time for my next AliPearl hair review. Also, thumbs up for hair reviews. I will continue to bring you guys hair reviews. I feel like I'm starting to lose my voice the more and more that I talk, but it is all Gucci. Be sure to subscribe for more hair reviews, advice videos, try-on hauls, and all other videos like that. And do not forget to check out the links down below to AliPearl hair and get your natural wave hair today, girl, okay? You will really be slaying, and I feel like this is the perfect hair texture for the summertime. It's that natural, just like I'm out here, girl, okay? So get your curly hair for the summer, for back to school, for in general, okay? So check out those links, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, you guys. Mwah!
Sativa so strong, I'm not blinking. What in the world was I thinking? New day, new money to be made. New things for them to imitate. imitate. Black Barbie, pretty face, perfect